Okay, so initially you can sign up. Okay, it's asking, but anyway, you can sign up, and after that you can sign in. Okay, so here you can see new, right? See, if you click on that new, you can click a new repository. So where you are creating exactly under your name only. Okay, for example, we are creating big data project. Okay, so it is also telling, it's creating a checkbox, a check symbol here, which means it is saying like this name is available and you can do it. I think I have created something already earlier, something like this. See, it's all, it was already created earlier. So that is the reason it is not available. And I cannot do it because that's again a conflict, right? So we cannot have a project with say two same names. So that is the reason this is a conflict and we cannot create here. Now let's create a new repository like big data. Okay, so here you can see there is the option public and private. So in industries, in company, it is always private. Okay, you will always be within a VPN or VPC or in a closed network. So there is no point of opening this to anyone. So by default, I think it will be only private, which I did not use. But you can use any, since you are doing for education purpose, you can make it public, because I will show you how many public repositories are available. Okay, and here, so these are some default settings. See, the add readme file. Add readme is nothing but you can create a default readme file where you will explain what you need to do once you get this repository. For example, I create a repository and I did all the coding, and this is ready for use. Okay, so a new developer comes and he wants to do the analysis, or he wants to read the document and want to use the packages like Python packages or any var file or any Scala file or anything, and run it. So all these run instructions and everything, like step-by-step procedure, is written in this README file. Okay. So git ignore, this I did not use, but anyway, these are the default settings.
See what happened. So here git ignores readme. So readme, what will happen? Suppose you want to give some step. So suppose anyone is new. Okay. So if they want to see that what we need to follow, means all the documentation part you can write in readme. So there you want git ignore option, right? So git ignore. So suppose there is some package that you don't want to download or something you want to do, or you want to give that, yeah, if anyone by mistake also doing, so it will go to ignore file and will check that what we need to ignore. Suppose you want to download some package, and if you are writing anything git ignore, that package will not be downloaded. It will exclude that one. Git ignore means excluding. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is this big data project. Okay, you wrote this thing. Okay, and where is this? Yeah, commit changes. But before committing, okay, see, this is only read-only file, and I just started the project, and this everything here is empty. Okay, so this you can add it later by creating your runnable scripts, and you can write it later. But initially, since I already written something, now I want to write something like initial commit. Okay, initial commit per class. Okay, so that next time if someone wants to see this thing, like what kind of commit is this is saved in the history. Okay, so that the other person, if I am left, if I left from the project, and for what reason I did this change, okay, so the new person can come and get the history of this this commit and can check whether this for what reason this change is done. Okay, and down you can see commit directly to the main branch. In real time, you will never commit to the main branch. There is always a branch where you commit. So this is a major thing which you need to consider. So since I think currently there is no branch, let's do it in the main branch only. So we can create a sub branch there. Okay. So here you can see I came back now. Okay. Here you can see a tree kind of structure, right? Here it is here we have a main branch. Okay. You can see where is this? View all branches. Yeah. Okay. Now we can create a new branch. New branch is nothing but something like this. Okay. So assume like this is like a tree. Okay. And suddenly a project came. Okay. And now you want to work on the project. So so this will be divided in this way. Okay. And a new structure is created like this. Okay. Again, suddenly there are two more projects came. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is the main branch. The copy of this, we are copying into 3 separate branches. Okay. Now there are 3 development teams. One is big data development team. One is big data analytics team, who will only read the data and do some Python coding and do some changes there. Okay. Maybe any other some UI. If there is some UI, usually it is not there, but there are some minor things like extract data and show in the UI. There are some projects like that. So yeah, assume like there is something like that, and we want to do some extensions. Okay. So these three projects are divided into 3 branches, and these 3 branches are 3 development teams. Here there are 5 developers. Analytics generally less people too. UI also less people too. Okay. So now big data team will start working on this branch. Okay. We can name this branch something like new branch big data dev. Yeah, the big data dev. Similarly, see here you can see big data dev branch. Let's also create you can also create the sub branch, but that's a later topic. This is okay. So now you have 3 different branches. Okay. Here you can see there's a new pull request. Okay. Here, since there is nothing actually, we cannot do anything. But what I want to do is I want to get some project which is available in the public. So this is something which is not this we can do only in the in these public repositories. Okay, but in our projects, this main branch will already be available, and branch will be already created by only leads. Okay, and they will ask us to pull the code. So here, since we don't have anything, what we'll do? So we have data savvy, right? So I will try to get that project into my account. Okay. So here, code. Rakesh, I can download and upload, right?
You can download this one, or you can use this git clone and you can clone directly.
Yeah, clone. Where is that? I used long back.
No, so click on code. Click on code. This one code you are seeing,
Code.
right?
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, right.
So there is one URL. You can see HTTPS this word. Just copy this one.
Okay.
Yeah. And in your local, if you're using Linux, so git check this clone, and you can give this URL.
Okay,
And then you will.
in my local Git is not there actually. So one more
Then
thing
you can
is,
do.
yeah, yeah. So there is one more thing called Git client. Okay. So this Git client you need to download. So this is the local client. So in industries, this should be available in every user's machine. So all command line executions we do from here only. So this looks like a new one, Rakesh. I did not work on this.
Yeah. So for now, see what you can do. You can git tortoise is that one application. Just download that one. UI one tortoise. Yeah. Git this is SVN down one. Tortoise git. And there is one git bash also. That also will work.
Yeah, Git bash, right. So what we'll do actually, we will integrate this Git to our Eclipse or any IDE. Okay, so with our authentication things. So only then we will be able to commit to the server.
Just everything by default you will install. So here basically what happens. So if you will download, so here this is one UI base. So if after downloading, if you see right click, if you do, it will show you one git tortoise, and there are multiple things. So if you are downloading any file, you can download and just modify on that file. And again, what you can do, you can right click and you can commit. So it's fully UI based, no command based and all. So it's easy.
For this, you need to install Git, I think.
Yeah, it is asking Git also.
Yeah, without Git, it will not. It runs on top of Git.
Okay, okay. I think few things got changed actually. So earlier what used to happen is like if we right click here, yeah, it's there actually, Git clone.
Git clone and git create repository here means git tortoise. If you are having downloading any file, so what happen? All the file.
You can Git clone. Devendra, and check whether it's cloning or not.
No,
Okay.
first create one folder, and inside that
Yeah.
you do git clone.
Okay.
Create one folder like git, will get anything, and right click this one. Again, not like this.
No, just
Yeah,
need to
right
clone, like remote.
Yeah, first git clone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
no,
asking Git
it
path.
need.
Yeah, I think it is asking some additional details.
This one configure git.exe. Total repair exe for is oppressor. Git.exe. Just download this one. Git.exe. Or in earlier version, they actually we used to download.
Yeah, right, Rakesh. I think this again in the backend will install Git, I think, or use Git.
Maybe some new update they have done. Next. All default setting you can give.
Yeah. So it is installing Git only, Rakesh. Again.
Yeah, Git first it need, then only tortoise will work.
I think they integrated something. But earlier it used to be independent.
Yes.
Git bash it will.
Yeah, and that you can paste, right, Devendra. That pull command is there, no?
Yeah, right.
Clone command repository that you can directly paste in Git bash also it will work, or
Right.
tortoise Git anywhere.
Code.
This is
This one you can see code is there, right? This one.
oh here.
Go
Okay. Yeah.
this URL.
Yeah, paste it and enter.
Like this will not work. So
No, we should
clone
use
You Git clone.
Git clone.
Yeah.
So
Done.
it will download everything. Okay. So
Yeah.
once you have downloaded, if you suppose already some repo is there, once you have downloaded, then what you need to do, you need to create with your own branch. Okay. Suppose if there is no branch created, so there is a command like git checkout -b and the branch name, whatever you want to give. So it will create internally one branch, and whatever you want here you can do, which you can change your file and all. Then finally you can create, like if you want to add anything, git add dot. So it will add everything, then git commit and git push. So here you can work like this.
So you can upload a code also, Devendra, like using Git add.
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
check
right.
out to your branch and add a file. So they will.
Yeah. So I'm actually forking to my repository.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
I cannot do it for him, right? So fork is nothing but we have forks, right? For eating forks, which means when we try to get any apple or something, it will be attached to that, right? So similarly, we can also attach any other external repository to our repository. So I clicked on data service fork, and it came to it's saying like the owner is me and repository name is this one. So it is trying to add this to my account. So create fork. Okay. Now I can go directly to my repository and see repositories. Where is it?
This one, big data.
Yeah, it's okay. It's here. Okay, now again I can click on this one. Copy this command. So earlier I copied data service, right? Now this is mine. So rather than doing for changes in his thing, so we can do changes in our own repository. But somewhere it is stored. I don't know whether we can use RM, but as of now I'm using RM, which is not a right way.
PWD you use, Devendra? PWD.
PWD, I think we can use all. See, all Unix commands will work here. See, I removed this folder, right? Because it is a sync with data service. So now I will type git clone again and give my repository here. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now this is there. Now what we can do?
You can create one branch out of this one.
Yeah.
So first go inside this one. CD. You can give git status.
Yeah, right. Git status.
So it's nothing to commit. Okay.
Yeah.
So now git checkout -b.
Oh, sorry.
-b and in some rough branch name like ABC, something you can give. Don't give code.
Oh, okay. That's it, right?
Yeah. Switch to branch. Now do git checkout. It will show now you're inside your branch. Okay. Out of this one, now it is created. So now whatever you change, you will do changes on this branch. Okay. So once everything is done, changes is fine, then you can do git add. So what it will do with the changes is now you are not doing on the original one, master one. You are doing on this ABC temporary one. Okay. Once you push this one, once everything finalized, approved, then you can merge this one with your master. Now clear, Devender, the process?
Yeah. I need to practice Rakesh. I forgot.
Okay, no problem.
You can do like Devendra, git add some file name you can add.
Yeah.
You can give pull request. Now only you can do.
Yeah,
It
right.
take 5 minutes time only.
Yeah.
Git add and just add one file over there.
No, first
put it in that directory. Then it will directly add from there.
So what generally I used to do, I used to open this
cheat sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rakesh also shared that one. I took a printout, like it's like a handy reference whenever we want.
Yeah.
Go there, I will tell you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So now see, now if you are doing now you are inside on temporary one, ABC. Okay. So now open this file in your local. So if you want to do any changes and all, you can download one Visual Studio. Okay. Visual Studio is very nice to edit anything. You can download Visual Studio. See, it is also one IDE, good IDE, lightweighted IDE is there.
No, here manually you need to go, Devendra.
Yeah, I think.
User. Yeah.
Where
no,
that?
down one. Spark
this
by
one. Okay, got it. Yeah.
Just add one file here. Right click.
Right click and some text file you create.
Give any name like the data. Okay. Now go in here in the backend.
Okay.
So now you have added one file, right? So
Yeah.
if you do git status, it will
Status.
show you. See, one added, right? See, big data
Yes.
added. Now what you do, git add dot. Git add dot means it will add whatever you have done. Now
Yeah,
good.
all file will get added. How many files is there?
See, only one
Okay.
file, new file is there, right?
Now
Right.
you need to commit.
Now you have to commit this one.
Git commit. No, not like that. Git commit -m.
Okay, we need to give message.
Yeah,
Right?
-m. Then in double quotes you write test commit. Then enter. Yeah. Now git status you do. It will go away. Now
Right.
git push. So it's now you check repo. It's there in your repo.
No, this one git push -f set upstream. This copy this one and paste
Okay,
this one.
got it. Got it. Yeah, the command this itself is telling to do that.
Oh, what's upstream is there, na? Okay.
Now, if you go inside your one, it will show you.
Okay, it is asking to sign in because it wants to.
Yeah,
integrate.
because you are pushing, na? So
Yeah, right.
you need to authorize the request.
Okay, in backend it is done.
Yeah. Again, you check. Again, you run the above command git push one.
Git push again.
Nothing to push. It will say if it already push.
Right. Yeah, everything
Up to date. Yes. So it's already there. Now you
So
go and check ABC branch. You will find
should
that
have that.
file is there.
So once you have pushed this one, you need to create one pull request. Okay.
Just change the branch. Devendra, master is there, no? No,
Yeah.
no. Here, above. Spark example. Master branch is there, no?
Yeah.
Drop
Okay,
down,
yeah,
go drop
ABC.
down. You
Yeah.
check. Yeah, ABC.
Yeah, ABC. Yeah.
Now you will
Yeah.
see that file will be there.
ABC.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big data test.
1 minute
Okay.
ago.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now once this
This
is
is the
done, so what
complete
you need to
process.
do? See, once this is done, what you need to go back one step,
Here. Okay.
compare and pull request. So we can see top me compare and pull request. So click on this one. So suppose, so I will let me explain first. So you have done temporary changes on your, so what you have done, there was one original master, out of master you have created one branch, means you have copied that one. So whatever content was present in master, so you have copied on duplicate folder you have created, and you have done all your changes over there. So once you have added your changes and all, you have merged here. So now in your team, you will create one merge request, means you will send to your team to review everything. So once they will review, so pull request is nothing. So you will create this one with whatever was your master, right? So here what we are doing, base repository this one and the head repository ABC. So here you will write some message and you will ask like please review and something will do. And once just go down, create pull request. So it will show you one URL. Okay. No conflict with base one. So it got merged. So in real time, it will ask for something like
No, here also like reviewers, Rakesh, na, you can add reviewers. So we didn't add reviewers, so directly it merged.
Yeah. If you can add my name to reviewer and also it will come to me one notification that I need to review this one. I will review once I will approve, then it will get merged. Okay.
Correct.
So like this in real time we used to work. When they're not clear,
Yeah.
we are doing.
Yeah.
And rest of the team is it clear?
Everyone clear, right? Yes, no.
It's confusing, sir. So I'll go through that videos first and then probably I'll refer this recording.
So what you can do is up to evening time, if the vendor is free, Saurabh is free, you can connect with each other, okay? And just try to create once.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Until you create one, so you won't be able to do. It will not be clear, okay?
Actually, it's very easy. Just practice and understanding is required. Once it is done, then Rakesh and I, how we are doing, you can also do it.
So basically what is happening, so it's totally new for you, right? So that's why when I was also there, I was also confused what they are doing. Everything was like magic to me. Type in this command, then this command. But daily, if you do practice and all, then only you will be clear. Okay.
Yeah, I agree, sir.
So once you complete this one, you will confident. Yeah, like this in real time we used to do. Okay.
Yeah, I think the practice which you are doing, everything we should create a folder here and commit everything and do changes and commit again, right, Rakesh? So that we practice this also in alternative.
Yeah. So the command and all now you're clear, right, Devinder? How to
Yeah,
add, how to there are like stash is there. Then if you want to change the commit name, like rebase is there. There are multiple commands.
yeah, right, Rakesh. I think
Tomorrow we will see like GUI, how to add, how to push.
Saurabh, can you take one small session on this one, GUI one? Can you explain?
Yeah, I'll do. No problem. Yeah, it's
Okay.
very easy.
But see, for you and me, we have done, that's why it's easy.
Mhm.
But for others, totally new. And I
But
can
first,
understand because, so we'll see all the topic nicely. Okay. Tomorrow, Saurabh will explain GUI part.
so before